Hello children, let's learn some colors name. Orange, grey, red, purple, pink, brown, yellow, white, blue, orange, purple, pink, blue, green, brown, violet. Now we will write the alphabet. A. This is purple color I'm using. A. Now B. C. D. I'm following the dotted lines. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now, after N, this is pink color I'm using. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's read again. A for ant. B for banana. C for camel. D for doll. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ink pot. J for jug. Hay for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pigeon. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zigzag. Bye bye.